Welcome back to Jungle Gym. Today's skill builder is solving one-step and two-step addition and subtraction problems. Hey there, Mr. and Mrs. Bugsley. How are you today?
Well, dear, the Mr. and I are having an argument. You see, I did 56 push-ups this morning.
I did 37 push-ups. I am pooped.
Dear, watch your words. We are wondering how many more push-ups I did compared to the Mr.
I can help.
I will just sit here and rest.
First, we line the numbers up. The words compare and how many more tell us we need to subtract. I start in the ones place and see there is more on the floor, so I go next door to borrow 10 more. I cross out the 5 and change it to a 4. Then I add 10 to the 6 to make 16.
Dear, there are sure a lot of steps.
We take away 7 from 16 to get 9. Then we take 3 away from 4 to get 1. This gives us an answer of 19. You did 19 more push-ups than your husband.
I am not doing any more push-ups for a long time.
Here's my cousin Tito. Let's check in with him.
Hey cuz, I have been working on my arms. Yesterday I lifted 48 pounds. Today I lifted 33 pounds. How many pounds have I lifted in the last 2 days?
Line the numbers up. You want to know how many pounds you lifted altogether, so we will add the two numbers together. I start with the ones place. 8 plus 3 equals 11. If the number is larger than 9, I put the digit in the ones place below the problem, and then record the tens place in the next column over. Now we add the tens place including the one we carried over. Altogether you lifted 81 pounds the last few days.
One more question cuz. If I want to reach lifting 100 pounds, how many more pounds do I need to lift tomorrow to reach 100 pounds?
100 is the end goal. You have already lifted 81 pounds. To figure out the difference, we will subtract. I start in the ones place. There's more on the floor, so I go next door and get 10 more. This neighbor doesn't have any, so I move to the next neighbor. I cross out the 1 and make it a 0. I make the next neighbor a 10, but I still need to borrow from it. We cross out the 10 and make it a 9. Then add 10 to the ones place. Now we subtract. You have 19 pounds left to reach 100 pounds.
It should be an easy day tomorrow then. Thanks so much. Want to join me?
No, I have climbing lessons with my sloth friend tomorrow. Thanks for asking.